cooking show. Today, our tiny chefs take on the most colorful Play-Doh food challenge ever. Let's roll into the kitchen. Meet our creative contestants. There's Molly, the Muffin Queen, Benny, the Burger Boss, Tilly, the Taco Tornado, and Sam, the Sushi Samurai, who will shape the tastiest Play-Doh meal. And the challenge is pizza. Time to roll that dough, slice those toppings, and get creative. Look at them go. Squish that dough. Chop those peppers. Ooh, Molly's adding heart-shaped pepperoni. So sweet. And Sam's going full veggie style. Wow! From pineapple suns to cheese swirl rainbows, our mini chefs have truly delivered clay cuisine magic. Congratulations, Sam! But truly, everyone's a winner in the Play-Doh Food Challenge. Until next time, keep shaping your dreams. Thanks for cooking with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more squishy, colorful adventures.